So in the last lecture, we successfully built the Docker image of hello world. So in this lecture, what we are going to do, we are going to run that hello world image. For running that hello world image, so first we are going to list down all the Docker images that available. So you can use the Docker images command to list down all the images that available in your system. So as you can see that we have the two images right now. This is the known as none, and second is the hello dash world. And the one thing you have to be remember, the second the image, the hello dash world, is not our the mine image that we have created it using this Docker file. So this is the image that we have pulled from the Docker registry and run to our system. But what we are going to do, we are going to run our custom build Docker image of hello world. So how we can run that? So simply, as you can see that we have this image ID here. So there is ID. So just copy this one, okay, and just run this command like the Docker run, and just you have to just paste this ID, the image ID. Also you can give the name for the image, so you can just use the image name rather than using this image ID. So just use the Docker run and the image ID. So if I enter this, so I will get the same output like to hello to everyone in my terminal. So let's see if I get the output or not. If I enter it, so it's going to be run, and sooner it will display the output in the terminal. Yes, as you can see that I got the output hello to everyone and dash follow the courses. And notice that this output, it's come from the container, not from my machine. Okay, so you can see that I have the Docker run. After that we have this image ID, and then we can see that we have the output here. Okay, hello to everyone. And in the next lecture, what we are going to do, we are going to tag this image. So rather than running the image from the image ID, we are going to run using the name as well. Okay, so let's do all the things in the next lecture.